Hannah Slam. Today's story, Animal of the Deep Ocean. Live in the deep. When you see the ocean, you see the top, but Earth's oceans are very deep. The deep ocean is different from any other place on Earth. It is as dark as night, it is ice cold. Ocean top, warm water, more light. Deep ocean, cool water, no light. Deep ocean animals. Special kinds of animals live in the deep ocean. Their body parts help them live in the dark, icy water. Let us learn about some of these animals. Gilbert eel. Gilbert eel can eat fish that are bigger than they are. How? Their mouth open very wide. Also, their stomach stretched like balloon. Viper sheep. Viper sheep fish have short, big teeth that their mouths cannot close. Viper fish also glow in the dark. Other fish scream towards the glow and get eaten. Cheephole fish. Cheephole fish have 3 long fins. The fins touch the ocean floor. Cheephole fish cannot see in the dark. They use their fin to feel things moving nearby. That way, they know when food is near. Bluefish. Bluefish look like blood. They have no bones. They do not have match. They have eat bits of dead fish that by float. Carrion shrimp. The carrion shrimp has a cheek. If a shrimp closed, the shrimp spit. The seed glows in the dark water. The fish sees only the glow, not the shrimp. The shrimp swim away. Vampire squid. The vampire squid has big red eyes. They are as big as gold ball. They help the squid see in the dark. To protect itself, the squid wraps its arm around itself like a cat. Goodbye.